In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can code in HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. You can use it by opening Notepad on your Windows 10 device or Windows 11 device. Here it is. Topic for today is to make a notice for a sports day. So we'll be putting an image for the logo to make it attractive, changing the background color and highlighting some text, keeping all of it centrally aligned. So this is my notepad screen. So the first thing you have to do in HTML is type HTML like this. And then you can just copy this, paste it here, and put a slash here. You can do the same thing for this. So now in this we'll be writing the title. So the title can be the virtual sports day. So this is it. Now let's end the head part because this is the heading. Now we want the background color to be blue. So the color I like is powder blue. So you have to write body style equals to background color powder blue. So this is it for the background color. Let's just add some enters here to make it visible. So the next thing is the main body. So let's just start with UL. Then we need the first line of the paragraph. Here it is. This is going to be the title of the web page. So for the title to be written on the web page, not for the web page, on the web page, we have to put it as heading 1. So let's just write here. And then if you want an enter here, just put the P part here because P is paragraph and we are breaking the paragraph here. The next thing we have to do is create one more line and write the date. So the date is 20th February, which is a Monday. And the time, I'm using the OFA format of notice. So this is everything you can write. Just copy the thing here and then paste it below. Now I want there to be the list of events that will be conducted and the flow of program. So I'll just add one more line here. The next thing is we have to make a table. So for making the table, we have to have a table border, the headings, the entries. So first thing is type the table border. So I'll just put the table border here. Table border is 1. Next thing is write tr, then the headings. So I have one heading for time and one heading for event. Here it is. And I write tr end. Here it is. Tr start again. Tr stands for the next cell when in the column order. Now let's put the next entry that should be underneath the time. So we'll be putting it here. And then we want it to be the national anthem. So I'll just put it below that. And then TRN. Now let's just use this much to make it. So this is our code. Let's just save it now and then open it in Google Chrome. Here it is. Go to File, Save As. Now this is my desktop. I'll save it as kushal.html. Here it is. Press save. Now when you go to the desktop, you'll be able to see it here. Click that 2 times. Here it is. So we have added a border one and then added different lines for the paragraph. Here it is. The next thing we have to do is add more of these. So I'll add one more and leave the rest for all of you. Then I'll I'll add some more points and then a Zoom meeting link at the end so that people can join because it's via Zoom cloud meetings. Here it is. I will be adding the same part underneath it, leaving the table end. So when you go to the browser and refresh the page, you will be able to see. Control S and then refresh. The next thing I want to add is the topic and that my school has scheduled a Zoom meeting and that the Zoom meeting is clickable below. So I've already written it down, copied the invitation of the Zoom and written it down. I will just paste it here. This is it. I've added the Zoom meeting is clickable below and I've added this. So this will make this Zoom meeting link clickable. I've added the meeting password and all to make it clickable. So the next thing we have to do is add a logo here. Alright, yeah, add a logo here. So for this, we need image source. So this is it here. And then we need the image height and width. So I'll just put it here. You can add an alt also. Let's just leave it empty here. And then let's go to Google and search for what image we could use for this. So this is our website. I'll just save and refresh it. So there is no image here. Now we'll search for the Allspark logo. So I'll just download this. Here it is. Now let us copy image address. Go to Notepad and paste it here. Now save it and refresh this. So now I don't want it to be 550 by 200. I want it to be 550 by 550. So let's just change that. Save it with Control S. And here it is. So this is how you can make a website using HTML. I have a challenge for you. So in this challenge, you have to send me what you have made, the link, the file, and proof that you have made it. I'll be giving you a badge, and then if you have 10 badges, you will be in a video with me. Thank you, and have a nice day.